LG presents a fully automatic top-loading washing machine that boasts of its innovative and top-notch features. Available in a 6.5 and 7 kg capacity, ideal for an Indian family. This machine has been rated as 5-star by BEE in terms of water consumption and energy consumption. It consumes less water and power. This washing machine also gives you the best washing performance because of its smart inverter technology. This feature generates less vibration and noise and also consumes less electricity. LG washing machines have turbo drum feature which rotates and moves the clothes from top to bottom and left to right to give even wash to every cloth and remove the tough stains. The tub clean thoroughly sterilizes both inner and outer tub by removing leftover detergent and assuring your tub doesn't smell unpleasant. This machine can take care of itself when it malfunctions. Through your smartphone, it will troubleshoot and give you the steps for repair, saving you both time and money. This quiet and super reliable washing machine is backed with a 10-year long warranty on the motor and 2-year warranty on the product. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product.